Alrighty everyone, welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing well and staying blessed. If you guys are new here, my name is Jeremiah and I am a momentum day trader. I trade small cap stocks. Today is April 16th. Unfortunately, I'm sitting down here later than I usually do. My power just went off, but did miss this I don't know why my mic is not on, but if I didn't already do my intro, welcome to my stream today, y'all. I hope you all are doing well. Kinda wishing I was here for the beginning of this move. But I don't really like these shooting stars. The news on NYC was yesterday. Did I make a move yesterday? And after hours? Oh shoot. Up $1 a share. 50 cents a share. See a bull flag forming on the 5-minute. We need a break above 570. It's currently up almost 300% here. Caps is hitting my scanner, but it's too cheap for me. Gonna trade it. WSHP. Oh, spreads are kind of big on this. There's a break over that pivot though. I might go in with small size. See. Get in for a dip and rip here. Looks like more of a rejection off of 17. be honest. Looks like we're gonna curl back up here. I might take a dip off 50 if we hold. I got a lower entry, like around 51, but there we go. See it break over this pivot right here. Nice. Nice. I wanted to add there. Wow. Sort of rejection there, unfortunately. There. Gango. That wasn't supposed to get in that high. Oh, that was on 80 shares, brother. Oh my gosh. I'm stupid, bro. Why did I jump in with 80 shares? That was a 20-cent loser. Shares. dude. Nah, I'm going long. I'm going long on this, dude. I jumped in on a rejection candle with too big of size on accident. Um, bro, I missed this entire first part of the move right here. Oh, wait, where was it? I missed this bull flag. I woke up a little bit later today, so I hopped on the charts at 7:40. So I've only been getting the scraps here, unfortunately. WSHP pulling away here. Damn. Take a stab on a micro pullback with 8 shares. Nah, that's not what I wanted. But shoot. Jeez. Going for the break over that pivot. Yeah, I do use warrior trading strategy. That's a terrible freaking loss, bro. Holy. I should have just stopped trading at the big size. How about you? What do you trade? Oh, you trade Warriors strategy. Nice. Nice. Dude, I wish I was in Weeble Sim right now, dude. This is such a bad day. I accidentally pressed the wrong hotkey and got caught in a flush. The scanners I use is Charts Watcher. I have it linked in my what's it called? Ins or not? I'm on my YouTube bio. It's like if you go to my account, where is it? It's like on my dashboard. I can give you a link, but here's what it looks like. You can just use my link. It helps me out. It's a affiliate link. If you don't want to, you don't have to, but you think you get a discounted price. But it's very good. Like um, pricing, you can do as low as $20 a month, and then um, it really just has everything, and you can customize it however you want. So I think it's one of the best scanners. I think in my opinion, I think it's better. I think it's better than Day Trade Dash, but I mean, it's in the way that you can customize it yourself. I think it's much better that way. Um, like for example, all these colors, like I chose these colors for the news, like how long news was ago. Um, the color for blue on these lower, like the better it is, the closer it is to teal, and then the higher the flow, the darker blue it gets, etc. But you can like you can really customize it however you want. It's very good platform. Jeez, no way. Dang, if I only held it for a little bit longer, would have been nice. But I'm back to break even, so I'm going to. Oh, jeez. This thing is going crazy. Oh my gosh. Jeez. This stock is absolutely going insane. I can't even buy it. I can't even buy this high. I wouldn't be trading my strategy. Oh my gosh, that's a crazy rejection candle. Bro, what a crazy swing of a day. Thank the Lord. Alright, that's two topping tail shooting stars in a row. Dude, yeah, it was a crazy jump there, bro. I'm glad I was able to make a little bit of profit. I could have held my position for about, I mean, this thing went up 3 points just from open to close, but it hit a high of 30 from 24. It's a 6 point move, dude. Crazy. 6 points on 40 shares, I would have made like, what, $240? That's crazy. I'm just curious. Yeah, crazy move, dude. Crazy. Dude, I like how we're seeing momentum again. It's good. I love to see this. Top three leading gainers are up 300%, 240%, and 100%. I love to see that. Love to see that. I've been trading for about a year now. I think I started like sort of learning in January, but I ultimately got a course, or the Ross course, in I think it was March or April. So yes, just about a year now. How about you? $3 months ago? Nice, dude, nice. I'm not gonna lie, like, not to pat myself on the back right now or anything, but I wish there was somebody who would stream, or who would have streamed when I was just getting started, so I could ask questions and everything. But that's why I do this, because this is something I wish I had. Obviously, there's Ross's stream, but you gotta pay $150 a month for that. So, you know, trading Weeble Sim 3 days a week for a month. That's good, bro. You're learning. You're learning at a really good time right now, because they just removed the PDT rule, or they approved a change, and so that'll be going into effect in 45 days. Although brokers have, thank you, bro, thank you. Um, brokers have about 18 months to put it into effect. Yeah. Um. Yeah. Ross recaps are good. I always watch Ross's recaps, to be honest. So it looks like MYSE is hitting my scanners here, but I don't see anything super interesting, to be quite frank. I don't know, bro. This stock is always giving us topping tails, shooting stars, so I don't know. But yeah, the if I had to give you any suggestion, you can I have a video actually about my scanner. Uh, it's if you want to watch it, is like this new platform is the best scanner, the best stock scanner, and it has charting and everything as well. It's really a good platform. And see here again with these shooting stars, dude. Should I even go back? I already lost so much on this. Probably not, right? Probably not. Until it really has to get up like near high of a day. I need like shorts to get squeezed out, so we'd have to get above these two levels, realistically. Yo, what's up, Brian? How's it going? Just trade MYSE and WSHE. Yeah, it is the backside of the move right now. WSHP. I took 40 shares on this one. I got a point out of it. And then for MYSC, this one, dude, I accidentally took 80 shares on a rejection candle. And I was like, how did I just lose $40? Or how did I just lose $20 on 40 shares on a 20 cent per share? Or 20 cents a share loss. But it was actually 80 shares. I'd really need to see this start to make a new leg up here for me to consider it. But even still, I don't really like the rejection candles. I need to see it pull away. That's really the bottom line. Yeah, I'm not really interested. WSHP hitting the scanners again. Also, the backside of the move. MACD is negative. The MRA has news. BioAmerica announces Medicare Administration Contractor confirmation of individual claim review for InFoods IBS, opening a scalable Medicare commercialization pathway. Hasn't even made a move. It's actually just selling off. RECT, we definitely aren't trading that. That one has done me dirty many times. I honestly wanted MYSC to make a move back up because I saw this beautiful bull flag here, and I missed it because I wasn't awake at this time. And usually I wouldn't care, but I was supposed to be awake at this time. So I have a little bit of frustration in myself for missing this move right here. Really nice push up. Then we had a bull flag and then a micro pullback here for 60 cents. But I would really need to get above this pivot so I know that shorts are either getting squeezed out or longs are, or both longs are jumping in too. We'll see though. We'll see. DRMA, not interested, too cheap, and it's a stock we've traded before. It's not clean at all. I think we might break this pivot here and make a move potentially, but we'll see. I don't know. This stock really is not one that likes to pull away. Alright, well, of course. MRLN is chopping around, but initially put in a decent move. No news. Alright, actually popping up here. See if it's gonna close a topping tail or MACD creeping over to positive. So we're actually starting to make a move up. There's that top and tail. Just a 15-cent drop. Clearly a lot of selling. I don't know if it's the company or it's shorts, but there is a lot of selling. Or at least people are just scared because they see all the topping tails and they're just jumping out. I'll jump out on a micro pullback, but I will not jump in the middle of a candle or as it's about to close. Yeah, of course, it's a topping tail. So I don't know why I have this on my head. What the heck? I'm switching back to this microphone because I'm tired of wearing this headset on my head. It's starting to hurt. But hold up, let me. Okay, let me just see if this audio is good. Already, I am testing my audio right now. I'm testing my audio. Already, I am testing. Hello, hello, hello. Okay. Looks like it's working. ONFO just curled up here. It's too cheap for me though. Okay, is it louder? Like this. Hello? Hello? Okay. I really don't know. Hold on. So we pulling away for real here. Let's see, that dip is not gonna work. JK, it might, but I'm not taking it. So yeah, that didn't work. That did not work. All right. I think I'm gonna put my headset back on because this audio is low-key better. Let me see. Hello. Hold on. I'll change this real quick. All right, this should be better. Yep. This obviously is not working, but we can take a look at NYSC. Don't know if this thing wants to curl back up ever. WSHP. Definitely not KIDZ, as a matter of fact. Should probably remove this from my recently viewed so I don't click on it. But I think the best, it's hard to say this one with all the false breakouts and bull traps, but I don't know. No trade date yet. Alright, Brian. Thanks for stopping by, bro. I appreciate it. Have a good one, dude. I totally agree. Nothing really is presenting itself. Um, Alright. I really don't know if I would want to even trade this stock NYSE. It's so tricky. Hold on, I'll be right back. Might want to pack it up soon. Alrighty, looks like a NYC dip below view up there, as it's already done before, but we're coming back above. I don't think it really matters how it closes. This stock needs to get back above. I mean, it looks like we have descending resistance right now. We'd really need to get back above 580, which we haven't been able to do for as long as I've been sitting down here. Rollers curling up here. This one made a move the other day. Not really interested. ONFO, we'll just look at it, but I'm not really interested. This one, too cheap. I prefer it to be above $2.50. But you can see it's pretty thickly traded. Or, I don't know. We'll have to take a closer look, but see how fast the level 2 is? It's really hard to read. And the time in sales, like, it's really hard to read this. There's a little burst of green, but I mean, like, it's really not that easy. And the type of resolution you get on these lower price stocks is not as good either. So it's like, even if you do see a bunch of green on the tape, it's like it may not play out because there's people who hold such big positions that, you know, somebody could just be trying to sell into strength. So, you know, there's things to think about. AXTG. This is a ATXG, sorry. Chinese company. It popped up here, but seems to be rejecting now. Hello? Okay. What's up, Green? Going? Um, it's going good, bro. It's going good. I'm green right now. I'm not gonna lie. I made a mistake and I took a really big size on my first or like my second trade. Um, and I lost $40, but I made it back in one trade on WSH, or no, two trades I think. Um, maybe three. Um, yeah, it was risky. I'm not gonna lie, but um, I had conviction that that was gonna work, bro. The trades I took originally were not good. Like I jumped in too high on a stock that kept doing false breakouts. Yeah, I know, bro. I was like, dude, we missed the bird move. That bird move was crazy, bro. I mean, we had just yesterday. It went to a high of 24, bro. This is a really nice, really nice move. Yeah. Oh yeah, 100%. I don't know how much this went up. I mean, $2 to 24. That's what, like 1,000%? 1,100%? Crazy. Crazy stuff, bro. So, yeah, so I missed what's it called? MYSC. I missed the cleanest price action on this stock today. And that's because I woke up a little later than usual. Um, and so we curled right up here at 7:07. We started to make a jump here. We made a 64-cent move right here in this candle, and then we start to pull back a little bit. Beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful of a pullback. And then we break this pivot, or I mean this apex point, and we go up 30 cents. And the next candle we go up 60 cents. So almost $1 a share there. I mean it did go up $1 a share, just closed a little bit lower, but really nice move. And I missed that, so I was a little like, all right, well. And the worst part is that it started to do false breakouts after that move, so I couldn't really justify trading it after. However, if I got this move, I don't think I would have. I just would have left all this alone. But you'd be surprised to hear that I actually did trade in this choppiness right here. I think I traded right here. But yeah, not my best. Not my best. BTOG. This thing has a float of 1 million shares. No. Sold off hard from the high. But still up $1 a share almost. Or more. Yeah. News. Singapore company. I don't think it has news. I like how I think it might break over this pivot, and I would kind of be interested in trading that, but at the same time, there's a nice dip, possible entry, but it's struggling already, so she just closed above VWAP. So rejecting 5 there. That micro pullback did not work under this pivot. Maybe a bull flag, but after that candle, I don't know. That's not good. Yeah. Yes. I think you're right. I mean today especially, I was definitely a little late to get in. Um, dude, if I had only woke up earlier, bro, I'm pretty sure. Not on this one, but if I had woke up earlier, I think I would have gotten in here. I do. The reason sometimes I get in really high is because I like to. BTOG's popping up here. Oh wow. Wait, no, I'm tripping. But I like to get in on a micro pullback. So after a big green candle, I like to buy the dip right after and then see the move higher because that micro pullback works pretty well. It's worked. I think that's one of the best setups for me, especially on like a really good stock. So there's a false breakout right there. But yeah, there's like yeah, I do think I sometimes get in a little late, but especially today, 100%. I got in way too late on MYC. This I shouldn't have traded this in this area at all, just not at all. Um, it's one thing if this was pulling away and it was making new highs, but just to trade it while it's chopping around, I really don't ever do that well um, around this or areas like this. But yeah, something I can work on for sure. Getting in a little bit earlier, maybe less risky entries, less risky. All right. Apologize. I'm kind of curious if this micro pullback will work right here. Let's see. If it closes nicely, we have to. That's not gonna work. See, it has to close like a full body candle for me to really be interested. But if it just ends up being a topping tail, it just is kind of ruined. Yeah, exactly, bro. That's trading. That's trading for you. Reflect, recognize, adapt, and learn. So I've been journaling. I journaled yesterday. I'm gonna journal today because today was. I mean, although it's green, it's very much so not one that I am like super stoked about. I don't think my trading was at its best, but you know. So there is a micro pullback I might take right there, and it's already struggling. So I don't know if I would hold it still, but maybe it'll work. This false breakout. Maybe it'll still work, but I don't like how it looks. Yeah, that does happen, bro. It happens. Really just gotta be quick to learn from your mistakes. That's the name of the game, I think. And be super quick to adjust. And I think over time you do get better at it, adjusting on a daily basis because you know the market could change in a day. So you really have to be quick to take your foot off the gas if that is the case, or change the way you're trading pretty quickly. Okay. So I won't be interested in BTOG. I think I'm gonna call it. I think I'm gonna be done trading here. I don't want to give back profit at 9:09, right before 9:30. Then I'll be actually pretty mad. All right, bro. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it as always. See you tomorrow. Peace. MYSC finally popping back up. Don't have high expectations, but we'll just see. Alright, everyone. I think this is going to be it for my trading day. Um, I don't see anything that I would probably be interested in at the open, and I don't see myself continuing to trade. So, with that, I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you all are staying well and staying disciplined. With that, I'll see you guys in my recap. Peace.